The Igbo adage is in processing my pain. Kadonyanga kawalo nanchotarola, le kanchokoro. That I found gold and sold it cheap. 2 comes from track 2. That was my brother. And the first one, Igwanyu Otwadi, Oyanoto. Not holding your tongue, telling your bro that is a shit bag, that is a dead bag, will not stop you from vibing. And I'm saying that rather it's even holding your tongue that is the bad thing. Because Abolo, you gotta try Polani and move forward. Kupulani. I'm not saying you should go and involve yourself in everybody's business and be advising everybody, but your nigga, yeah, your bro, if you tell them, as you can see that when 2 palm trees are in close proximity, when they grow together, their fronds are going to fraternize. And the last one comes from the last track on the project, Insecurities. And here I say, which means it takes 2 to tango. Observing that it takes 2 to tango and speak for this person, you also speak for this part. You know what I'm saying? Balance, not listening to only one side, which lines into the talk that it took 2 people's insecurities, or it takes 2 people's insecurities and failings for a ship to fail. So yeah, which of these tracks was your favorite so far? Is your favorite
but
so
don't
far?
do that if you love that man. People say you go on you to audio, yeah, no to. You gotta try Kolani and move forward. If you boy magma inside in your hot rock, I never had a bro in my life, so never played rough. Locked up on Nikoyi for this same stuff.